Hello YouTube. This is actually my first video ever, and it's to show off the new Close to My Heart consultant box. I just signed up, and this is a new box that came out this month of August, and it goes from August 2015 to the next quarter, so that would be, I believe it's January. And it's a little bit different than the other boxes. To sign up, it's $129. It used to be $99, and it used to have the option to get either scrapbooking or card making. This one combines both of them in one, so it makes it a lot easier, and it also has duplicates of stuff inside. So let's open it up, and first off, the box is awesome. It's this awesome teal color that seems to be the color that goes with everything. And to start off, it has this nice little booklet and a welcome. And the booklet seems to just have some postcards, sample paper, a note, supply order forms, and then some order forms and invoices inside. So it's pretty cool, something to look over, and everything to get started with and to get accustomed to the consulting is online. So their online has everything that you need when you are looking into becoming a consultant. Let's take this thing out and put it somewhere. Sorry, I have only one hand because I don't have a tripod. The reason why I'm making this video is because I was looking for them to see what's inside, and I haven't found any videos. I found one, but it wasn't that great of quality, so I figured I'd just make another one. So this is the inside, and this is a nice little carrier filled, and this is Close to My Heart's medium, carrying storage case. And inside, the paper that is going with this one is called Zoe, so that's what a lot of the it doesn't have on-the-go package, but it has the Zoe paper and some tutorial things to make scrapbook layouts, and I think 50 cards, something like that. So here's a bulk of Glacier paper, which is the same color for the box. Some basic white daisy bulk and the whisper bulk. And each of those come with 24 sheets. You get a huge stack of the Close to My Heart holiday expressions. This actually doesn't come out until September, so you get a nice preview of everything that's going on. And that's the best part of this consulting, is because you are able to purchase things online before they're even out, so you can test them and make your own layouts and make your cards before it comes out, so you can show all your future clients how good the stuff is. And then you get a whole bunch of books of the annual inspirations, which is pretty cool. And then, ooh, this is the Zoe paper, I believe. These are heavy. The box was kind of heavy, so just to take into consideration. This is the Zoe paper. So this is the back, or the front, whichever have you. And this is the other side. It's really pretty. Kind of like a corally color. And then it comes with these table mats, which is awesome. It's a tearaway desk pad that has the ruler, and you can write on it, and it has a whole bunch, so you can just rip it off and throw it away. It's pretty cool. And of course this box can be used for another storage box. Don't mind my creepy Chucky doll in the corner. Okay, so now I'm going to put all this paper in, and I will open this up first. Let's take this down. Sorry. And then I can show you more of what's inside. So this is a cute little box that it comes with. Like I said, this is the medium sized box, and you can fit quite a bit of things in there. It's actually really nice, and this little latch is pretty cool. Okay, so those are some dividers. More dividers. Okay, so these are the tribal circles. These are what all consultants can give to their clients. They're just like little thank you stamps. They're, I think, $1.50 or something for 4. And I believe this comes with 3 of them, wherever they are. Well, we'll just go by what I see first. Okay, some Glacier full-size ink. And I'll go over the stamps last. Some more Glacier ink. Like I said, I don't know if I did say it. There are doubles of a few of these things. That way it makes it easier to start right away and do a gathering with anyone, or you can just start doing layouts, invite people over, go to people's houses, do things like that. It just makes it easier, so not everyone's hogging on one ink, because usually the people don't have any supplies from close to your heart. So it's pretty cool that they're having all these duplicates. Okay, so here's the awesome shimmer tape. It's like, it's adhesive. It's really nice. So you get 2 of these. They're 5 yards each. And it goes with, it's called Aqua, but it goes with the Glacier. Here are some enamel gems. They're really nice. They have a little 3D to them, so they look really cool. I'm really interested in them. Here is the Spritz cleaner for your stamps. And I believe there is a stamp scrubber, which is really cool. Let me see if I can open that and show you. They're a little different than the other ones. It has this nice bristles, and they're actually really soft. And it has a little tray that you can put it in there so you don't make a ginormous mess like I normally do. So we have that. It's like we have 2 of these broad tip glue pins. They're really nice, and these actually work really good. I have the EK Tools one that's blue, and I use them to restick my Cricut mats at times, especially when I tend to cut a lot of felt and fabrics. I have an old mat that's pretty gross, and I use this particularly to stick them. That way I don't mess with anything else, and it has a really nice stick, especially with fabric. So these are really cool pins. Some acrylic blocks that have the Close to My Heart sentiment on the side, and they have a nice little grip. These are nice big blocks. They're about like 1.5 inches or something like that. Or they're an inch. 1.25 inches. I know. Well, there's 2 of those. I don't know the size. It's 2 inches by 6.5. And we have 2 more sets of blocks. And these are 3x3s. So that's pretty cool. And some more of those little thank you stamps. And here are packs of our samples. So these ones I believe are the papers, and these are the specialty cardstocks. And some more enamel dots. A nice round sponge. And you can use these sponges for anything. You can use them to do texturing, you can use them to clean, you can use them to paint, you can use them for anything that you want. So don't think the sponge doesn't come in handy, because it does. Some 3D foam tape. You actually get 2 rolls, and they're 75 inches each. So that's nice. You can always use it. And there's 2 different sizes, it looks like. Looks like 1/4 of an inch and either 1/2 inch. It's probably about 1/2 inch. More dividers. Ooh, you get 2 sets of these micro tip scissors. These ones are pretty nice. And if you haven't used micro tip scissors, they are awesome scissors to use. I do a lot of embroidery and sewing, and I use a lot of the embroidering micro tips because they just work so much better, especially with little small intricate designs that you need to cut, or that if your Cricut didn't cut it well, you can cut them really good. And these are what they look like. They're a little bit, they're small enough, but like I said, these ones work good, and the embroidering little micro tip ones, those ones work super well as well. This is my cat Endor. She likes to be in the spotlight all the time. Okay, so, oh, you get another stamp scrubber, so 2 stamp scrubbers. Here's some more, some sorbet, or sorbet, however you want to say it. 2 of those, and 2 slates. So all 3 of these colors go perfectly with the new Zoe paper, and that's what this package is all about. Okay, and then we get a nice value pack of 50 cards, and it comes with the envelopes and the cards already pre-scored, so that's really cool to use. Now let's look at our stamps. So you get the My Story Every Day. You get 2 of these. And you get smaller size. What size are these? Here are those with these nice little sentiments on there. And then we get 2 of the So Many Smiles Occasions, which are those ones, which are pretty nice. Everyday type stamps that you can use. That's another one of the thank yous. I just have everything all over the place. An In Review Everyday Life stamp set, numbers, and some more things about design. And that is it. One thing that this doesn't come with, which most of the other ones have came with, is it does not come with the workshop to go stamps or the stickers to go with that. You would have to buy that again online, and I believe they're $29.99. So that's one thing that it does not come with, but it does come with all these other things and doubles, which, I mean, you can always use doubles. I'm super excited about having double sets of stamps, because even if you don't do gatherings, or if you just want to do things online, you can use one of these for a giveaway. So you have double sets of all these stamps. You can do giveaways with all of these, and that's one of the best ways to get more clients, is to do giveaways all the time. And, you know, if you have your clients who buy from you all the time, you can send them an extra pad or stamps, a scrubber if they haven't had it, or you can even do swaps with other people who do not have those inks, although they probably do because those are the best looking colors. If you have any more if you want any more information on the Close to My Heart, so any of their stuff, if you want to know about more of their stuff, if you want to become a consultant, if you're really interested in what the workshops to go are, you can just contact me. I am just setting everything up right now. So I do have a Facebook, which I'll put the link down below. And I also have a blog that I'm going to be starting that hopefully I can do some tutorials. And I hope to soon start up my Etsy shop. I'm hoping sometime in the next 2 months, hoping before October, November, at least before the end of the year. It takes me forever with all my other jobs that I have. So thank you for watching. I hope this was okay. I'm sorry, I've never done a video for YouTube. It's very interesting doing this, but hopefully I keep up with it and I can show you some tutorials later of what I created with the Close to My Heart stamps and with the Zoe paper and with my other things that I create and whatnot. And here's a look at my cat. His name's Endor. He's a crazy little kitty. So thank you very much. Please subscribe. I suppose that's what people say after you watch videos on YouTube. But definitely check out my Facebook and my blog. It's Meowlennium Falcon at blogspot.com, but I will put that link down below. Thank you, and hopefully you guys have a happy crafting day.